wadhi county ma Siaya. Jopith gwen e county ma Siaya yudo fuongruok kaluwore kod puonj ma giyudo ewi pith no kanyakla kod thuolo mar uso kanyakla mar medo uso gi. Jopith go maloyo 4,500 oket kanyakla kod riwruok mar Hope International kokadho e chenro midendo ni Hatch for Hope e gweng' ma Mur Malanga mayudore South East Alego. E nyasi machiwo kuonde ohala mag winy go. Jata chenro ma weche dongruok e sekta mar pur Kenneth Owuoro singo mar jiwo jopiny gi jouso mondo oti maber gi thuolo no ma omigi mondo giyud ber komedo ni chenro no inyalo tere gwenge mamoko bende.
Kuku inalipa, kuku inaelimisha, kuku inafanya iko na opportunity nyingi sana, na tumeshikana na serikali kufanya kazi na wao kuwaelimisha wakulima kwa zile mbinu bora wakilea hizo kuku zao, but pia kuwapatia ile fursa ya kuwa na ile connection to the market.
Program yenyewe inaitwa KELCOP, the Kenya Livestock Commercialization Program, ambaye inakuja na itakuwa na value chain ya kuku pia, na itafanya na wamama na youths sana sana. Wazee pia watakuwa ndani, lakini sana sana itakuwa wamama na youths. So nasema ya kuwa upendo imeanza vizuri. South East mko mahali pazuri, na kile tutafanya ni kujitokeza, kwa sababu yule ambaye anatokea ndio tutafanya nini kazi naye, si ndio? Lakini yule amekataa kufanya, hakuna vile tutafanya pamoja na yeye.
In Siaya, we are working with about 4,500 value chain actors across the county, and that means that every household today embraces this value chain, because it is very easy in terms of its availability, and the different breeds that are there has made it to be embraced more.
So we have supported them, you know, in building this poultry aggregation center, and it's not the only one, because we also have the satellite centers. So this is the main one.
We also do bird aggregation. We have satellites at 3 places. That is one at Uranga, one at Boro, and one at Karemo.